Oops. Three. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Genevieve. If you're seeing me for the first time, nice to meet you. Welcome back and thanks for clicking on my video. And to my oldies, my previous subscribers, thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. I see that recently our numbers are coming up and I'm very grateful for that. Okay, on this video I'm going to be organizing my spice rack. This is long overdue. For a thing, I bought the spice containers a very long time ago. I can't tell the reason why I have been postponing it. I don't know, I can't just explain it, but I've been so busy. Life has been dealing with me in different ways and forms, but I am alive and here. Just returned from the holiday and I've been trying to clear up the backlog of content and edit them, you know, just to get the work done, and it's been so difficult because of all the things I have to do by myself. Anyway, recently I just started looking for a video editor, to hire a video editor. I've got some applications. I will review the applications, and going forward I would get a video editor. I need one because I can't do everything, do all. I have no help, no nanny, and I have work and I also have content creation, and I am not letting my job as a content creator go by because all of the things I have to do as a mother and all of it. So without speaking too much, let's just get straight to the video. I'll be arranging my spice rack, and you guys know that I am a spice girl, so let me show you all I'll be working with and the start of the game for me. Let's get to it, right? Okay guys, these are all the things I'm going to be working with. I have these bottles, these spice bottles. I have all the spices. These are the spices. I have more inside the cabinet and you can see that it's a mess. I have this turntable organizer, and of course I have more spices. But I need you to see this portable printer because that is what is going to make the labels. This portable label maker, it's going to be what I'll be using to label the spice containers, and a vendor on Amazon sent this to me. You can see I have not even unboxed it. We're going to unbox it together and we are going to use it to label the spice containers. So if you want to use this after we have tried it out, and if you want to get this for yourself, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box, and you'll see you'll get some discounts using that link. And it's a very great product, I must say. I haven't used it, but from the reviews they are quite great. So let's just try it out together. Okay, let's go. This is everything you find in the box: the printer, the cord, this handle, I just put it in now, and it comes with a manual. Okay, I'm just going to go through the manual quickly and see how exactly the printer works. It's important to know that this printer works with an app, and you just scan the barcode of the app on the leaflet, and I've downloaded the app. I'm using my husband's phone here, so I'll just connect the printer. The printer is already turned on. Whoops, paprika. And the paper comes with stickers. You can easily stick this. Oh. ingredients that you want. So you guys go to Amazon. I'm going to leave the link. Find them on Amazon, patronize them. It's a very good product and it's very convenient for you and saves you a lot of time and gives you all the aesthetic that you would need. Okay guys, now let's get cooking. Welcome back guys. So let's make something nice. It's a Nigerian food. I know that you can guess what I'm about to prepare. If you follow me on Instagram and you view my stories, you would have known what it is by now. However, if you don't, I'll just spill the beans. So I've been seeing a lot of videos on TikTok, all over social media anyway, people using lentils to cook moi moi, to make akara. Okay, so I've never tried it because I always use beans, but I decided to try it today on the day I made this video. So I have my own special way that I learned recently too of preparing my moi moi. Firstly, I don't blend the onion, the peppers and the spices directly. I saute them a little bit. So in this pan, I have tatashe, I have onions, I have some dried prawn, and of course I use garlic and ginger for everything I cook, so don't judge me. I have that garlic and ginger paste there. I just saute it a little bit to activate the flavor, if that makes sense. So this is the lentils. I don't know if it is a thing, but I washed it and I didn't bother soaking it at all. I just washed it. I washed it until the water became clear. That's about 3 to 4 times. I kept washing and all these ladder or foam on top of it. They were not really going out fast, but I kept washing until everything went off. And then I blended it to perfection. So one thing this does to my moi moi is that it removes every chance of it having any tangy or sour taste. Try it. Saute your ingredients before blending it into the base. You will tell the difference when you do this. So look at that paste. The paste was so at this point it was so tasty. You can smell, that things are happening. I added more ground crayfish, which is not necessary at this point because I added a lot of prawns already. But nothing, being extra can never be too much. And then some fish. You guys will also excuse me for this, my voice over, because the baby girl is exhausted, but the show has to go on. So tell me where you are watching from. Have you ever tried cooking beans with lentils? Tell me in the comments, guys. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and whether you've ever tried this, whether you're at home. For people in Nigeria, this might be expensive because lentils is expensive in Nigeria, but all the other beans is not expensive. But in the UK, lentils is very affordable. So this is also the first time I'm making this. I have to say that I forgot to line this sheet with oil, and the moi moi really stuck to it. It will still come out, but it's not as smooth as when you put a little oil around it. Also, the way I arranged it in the pot, it didn't come out so well at all. By the time I'm doing this voiceover, I've cooked it the second and the third time, and I corrected all of that mistake. But I didn't film because I have not edited the first one I filmed. Not to talk of filming another one. But you can see how I placed the containers on top of it. Because it has paper cover, it wouldn't be a good idea to do that. Oh boy, God help this voiceover. So I'm now making vegetables that I'm going to be using to eat my moi moi. You see this, my spice. Hey, I need to you see this voiceover. Take it up because I'm not even doing it again. Now, turn. I've been turning this spice tray. Anywho, the vegetable I'm using as a side dish is spinach. You can't go wrong with spinach. And I just sauteed some onions and pepper and just threw it in there. To be very fair, I eat the spinach raw, so this is just to make it a little sweet. Nothing. Okay. All right, the moi moi is ready now. You can tell it's ready. It's ready. So you'll see what I'm telling you about the paper being wet and the, the oil, not oil in the foil. Okay, which I corrected. So if you want us to do another video of this, a better version of this moi moi and lentils, leave a comment and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the view, enjoy the food. Please subscribe to my channel. I don't know why you watch video, you will not subscribe. Why? Watch, subscribe and share. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye. What did you say? Why I was talking about you, Jason? Like I should not talk about you. Jason, I was just talking randomly. I don't know which one exactly it is. I was talking randomly, Jason, please.